Did you know that poultry is Ohio's biggest industry? Isn't that cute? That's why Governor Kasich and other leaders today swooped into action to protect Ohio's chickens and turkeys from the deadly bird flu. Christian Hauser shows how.
The avian bird flu is not in Ohio yet, and farmers and the state want to keep it that way. So they're working together to try and prevent the virus from making its way into poultry farms like here at the Zumbrink family farm and the $2.3 billion poultry industry.
Governor John Kasich talked with more than a dozen 4-H members who had raised chickens and turkeys to show during the state fair.
I was pretty disappointed because we've already put in lots of time and work into them to know that we're not going to be able to sell them anymore and take them to the fair as a project.
I was really upset because we've already raised them and spent a lot of time with them and made sure that they were good enough.
The bird flu has already killed more than 44 million chickens and turkeys in the Midwest. So to prevent an outbreak in Ohio, all poultry shows have been canceled at the state and county fairs this year.
It's a disappointment, but we wanted to show these young people that we understand their disappointment because, you know, we were all young once and we were all disappointed at one time or another, but we want them to know that this is not something that you know, we bypass or we don't take seriously.
And poultry farms have also upped their security measures, like wearing protective plastic booties to prevent anything from outside getting in. Farmers know they're all responsible for doing whatever they can to keep their poultry from getting sick.
We've got boots on even though there's no turkeys around here, and there probably won't be any here for a couple weeks or so. But it's just all precautionary, and that's what it's all about, is precautions.
You can't get sick from bird flu, but you can spread it. Reporting in Darke County, Christian Hauser, ABC 22 News.
Now health officials are working on a vaccine to treat the bird flu, and they plan to start testing it in the next few weeks.